Okay, here we are, back at it again. Module 8 video, talking about what I enjoyed learning about the most through the past, I guess, first half of the course. I thought about this, but I think the thing I have most comfort talking about is the musculoskeletal system. So to choose one, I would choose our muscle system. Being in physical therapy every day, I guess it was good to kind of remind myself of some little intricate movers, and even though I know we weren't heavily tested on it, I clearly spent too much time learning origins and insertions, and the reason for the nerves and what they do, not cranial nerves, nervous system. Anyway, so I'd say the muscular system. I think if you ask me, the primary diagnosis of muscular dysfunction, I think, would be physical therapists. I think we're coming a long way into better diagnosis and evaluation tools. Of course, there's physiatrists and there's movement specialists, orthopedic surgeons, which obviously is the more surgical side, but some people go to an orthopedist just to get more answers about their joints and muscles and stuff like that. But if you'd ask me, I think physical therapists are up there with primary diagnosis of muscular issues at a muscular level, not a hormonal level. So within the muscular system, what organ would I choose? Or in other words, what specific muscle? I'll just keep it simple and say the bicep brachii. I'll do this one. The bicep is inferior to the deltoid. It is anterior to the tricep, and it is, we'll say, lateral to the heart. I think that's 3. 5 landmarks. We'd say it's kind of hard because you have the short head, 1. The longer head, 2. You have the origin of the short head being the coracoid process. You have the origin of the long head being the supraglenoid cavity of the shame on me. Of the scapula. Of the scapula. And then we'll say lastly the insertion being the radial tuberosity and sort of into the interosseous, or the membrane between your radius and ulna. Innervated by C5 and C6. Primary action is flexion and supination. Yeah, I think that's all I needed on that second part. So bicep would be my organ, just because it's easy. Everybody knows about it. So anyways, physical therapist. Shocker, I'm talking about it again.